Hello traders worldwide, welcome back to MJ Crypto. This is an amazing session and I want you guys to pay detailed attention because I'm actually going to be revealing a very, very, very important strategy that can scale you up from 0 to 100 real quick, right? So pay detailed attention and watch this video to the very end. Now, on my screen right here, I have two different schematics right in front of you. Right? I have two different schematics. Now, one of them is called a distribution. Just going to write that right now. One of them is called a distribution. Put this in red. And the other is called an accumulation. Right? The other one is called an accumulation. Now look at these two schematics right in front of us. I'm going to explain what these things are and basically how you can make profits just by trading these simple schematics and scaling up your prop firm accounts. Now, first things first, right? A distribution. What is a distribution? This is a process whereby a stock or an asset begins to diminish in what? Value, meaning we have a lot of sellers willing to sell than buyers willing to buy. All right, we have a lot of sellers willing to sell than buyers willing to buy. Now, these basic schematics simply means that we had a push to the upside, right? And then we had a range. We had a range right here, a bound range. I'm just going to map that range. I'm going to map this range right now. We'll draw this one right here. And then we have this range, right? So good. Now we already have a range bound, and then all of a sudden price begins to tap into this resistance. 1, 2, 3 touch. And then the third touch we broke out, but it wasn't a confirmed breakout. This was actually a fake out. This was what? A fake out. It wasn't a complete what? Breakout. It was what? A fake out. Now, when you say something is actually a fake out, what does it mean? It means that price has just what? Trapped buyers and sellers at the same time. Now, this fake out we're talking about right here, price will definitely come down with high volume and then try to retest the resistance again before falling down. So basically, this is what price usually does when we have a distribution. All right, this is what price does when we have a distribution. Right, price behaves like this. Now, you should be taking your entries from this point. Right, I'll show you all these. I'll show you all of these things in a typical example, a live chart. But I just want to actually show you these things on basic level so that you can understand what exactly we're doing. Right then, for the accumulation section, accumulation means that the asset is what? Gaining momentum to the upside. Meaning a lot of buyers have interest in buying than sellers have in selling. So these are just basically reversal patterns, right? And now this is what an accumulation is. Simply what an accumulation is. Now, you can see the word down move, you can see the recovery, and then price tapping back into the support level before plunging towards the upside. So basically, this is what accumulation is. Now, all of these areas will have liquidity resting here. Liquidity in terms of stop losses, because a lot of traders will see this as a double, a triple bottom, and they'll also see this as a triple top. So they'll be placing their stop losses here. Price comes down, takes it, gains momentum with their stop losses, which is liquidity for the market, because liquidity is fuel for the market, and then price will eventually go up again. We test the support before bouncing up to the upside. So I'm actually going to be showing you all of these things now, and I want to use this opportunity to show you a typical example of what I'm saying. Typical example of what I am saying. So it doesn't look as though we do not know what we're doing. Now, this is link USDT. I'm going to just remove everything that I've done here. I'm going to remove everything, put it on the daily time frame, or let's say the weekly time frame. The weekly. I like the weekly time frame a lot. Anybody that knows me very well, you should know by now that I don't play with the weekly time frame. I don't play with it because that right there is, some good gems that can continuously make you some good money. Now, look at this accumulation. It's already happening right in front of us. Look at this. Now, look at the weekly, right? Look at the weekly. Just take a good look at the weekly. Now, we had the recovery. Where did we get the recovery from? We had the recovery from here. Can you see that support level? I'm going to put this in blue right now. Now, first things first, if you've not subscribed for the mentorship program, click on the link in the description of this video so that you get access to it. It's going to be pinned on the comment section. You're going to see a pinned comment there. That link is going to take you directly to my DM so you can subscribe for the mentorship program, right? You can actually subscribe for that. It's so important for you as a trader. It's not important for me because I already have all of this knowledge, but you need it as a trader. All right, you need it as a trader. Now, let's say this is our resistance. I want to actually plot it to accuracy. Some of you don't know how to plot support and resistance. That's sad. That's pretty sad. If at this level you still don't know how to plot support and resistance, that's pretty sad. Now, we have one there, and this is our range bound. Now, look how we got this magnificent, juicy. Look at where we got it from. Just look at this. Look at the recovery right here on link. Look at the recovery. So this is telling us that price wants to recover. Price wants to recover to the upside. Look at this. We got a range. Price took out all the stop losses here and went back up again. Went back up again to retest several levels that we have over there now. One of the key levels that we have there is this one right here at the middle. We have one here. Let me plot it on my 3 days time frame so that you see it clearly. Get the mentorship course, guys. This is it's all right. There's a reason I'm not charging as much as I ought to because I know the value of these things, but I'm just trying to help as many people as I can. But I've actually put it on $100, but I'm pegging it at $25. So there's no reason anyone shouldn't be able to afford that if you are serious, actually dead serious. Now, we have another level right here. Can you see this? You can see the rejections going on. Had another level here. We had another level here. So guys, so now what are we actually looking for? We've gotten the recovery from here, from this level. Gotten the recovery from this level. And now we want to be looking for price action that will match our entry, right? But in all of this, I'm not going to go so deep. That will be for those who are actually, in the mentorship program, right? Where you take your entries from, all of those things are actually in the mentorship program, right? So basically, this is what an accumulation simply looks like. stock is accumulating, an asset is accumulating. This is what majorly looks like. All right, now, beautiful. Now, if we go back to XRP USDT, go back. I'm going to show you guys something very, very important right here. So let me take this off. Now, you're going to see that we had exact same thing. Can you see it? We had the exact same thing. Let's put this on 1 hour time frame, 1 day time frame rather. So we had the exact same thing. Do you see that level, which was this, which was a recovery? You saw it, right? Good. Now, what did price do? Gathered momentum. Price will not go once, though. It's going to go in breaks to go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come like that, and then finally to the upside. So basically, yeah, this is how the simple schematic of distribution and accumulation basically works, and how you can make this one of your key strategies and keep putting money off the crypto space. Now, one last thing, guys. One last thing I want to tell you. Don't trade so many strategies. Just focus on one thing and make that strategy work for you. If you trade a strategy today and it doesn't work, it doesn't mean that strategy is bad. It just means that the market wasn't in your favor. It doesn't mean the strategy doesn't work. Stick to one strategy and make that strategy your key strategy. Backtest it. If you have an 80% win rate or 70% win rate, use a good risk to reward, and you keep on being profitable in the long run. Basically, that's how this market works, right? Basically, that's how this market works. So big ups to you all. One love, cheers. Smash subscribe button right now. Smash the like button. Drop a positive comment on the next videos you would actually want me to produce for you. And I'm actually going to look forward to doing these videos for you so that you can be profitable in the long run, right? My name is MJ Crypto. Nice having you here. Get into the mentorship course rather. There's VIP signals for you. Send the link to the description of this video, and then you are all up and running. Peace out. One love.